Wir kaufen nix. Hey guys, we have some news in our facility. Follow me. Hello guys. So this is our new application area without all the shelves Björn has shown you before. Yeah, we took them away and now you see the area we have for our application department. So the machines right here in this space. In the back there will be the laboratory, and right here in this wall there will be two doors to connect the machine prototype area or manufacturing area to the application area. Was soll ich jetzt sagen? Yeah, besides the new floor we're going to build a wall right here. So the whole application area will be separate to the shelves right here. Yeah, that's about it, and as you see, we proceed. Thank you guys.